Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, the Stock Analyst. In this video, I will talk about ticker symbol IDEX, IDEX for Ideanomics. So today they had an earning and they had a phenomenal earning, and after the earning, after market, the share price is up almost 10%. So in this video, I will go over the earning, and I will also talk about the chart pattern, their support and resistance, and also what's next, what we can expect for this particular stock. And also, if you are interested to play some call option, then what are the strike price and expiry date you should be looking at. And if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button. It takes only 1 second to hit the like button. And also, if you are new to this channel, please subscribe to my channel. And when you subscribe, there is an option all, so select that option so that you get all of my video notifications so you don't miss anything at all. So anyway, my friends, let's look at the news today, right? Okay, so let's look at the news first. So if I go to Yahoo Finance, it says they at 4 o'clock they released their full year 2020 financial result. So the revenues for year ended December 31, 2020 were 26.8 million, significant resources available to drive long-term growth plan, and also continued strength in the EV industry, progress in their mobility unit activities as the value of its S2 F2C business model gains traction in the EV industry. So let's look at the numbers here. So what it says is the revenue for the year was 26.8 million with sequential quarter-over-quarter growth, demonstrating the growth strength of Ideanomics business. The EV revenue in 2020 was 19.5 million versus 2.7 million in 2019. That's a massive increase of 16.8 million, which is 600%. So they are really investing and they are making the ground for their electric vehicle business. The 2020 revenue included in the first sales of charging and battery system, a part of the EV ecosystem that is very important for their S2 F2C business model. So what they are doing, they are trying to come up with the EV ecosystem. That is why I said like they are building the groundwork, so they will have an ecosystem, and with time it will just grow and grow, and definitely there is a long-term potential for this particular stock. We expect revenues from charging growth to grow as Wave. I will talk about Wave soon, or just let's see what is Wave. So basically Wave is a wireless charging system for commercial EV, and they made an agreement with IDEX last year. Okay, so that is something, wireless charging system. So what they're expecting in future, that they will get more revenues from their Wave technology. Also, the revenues for the full year 2019 was 44.6 million. However, 40.7 million was generated from digital assets management service contract, and they are not expecting any more revenue from this particular one. So the gross profit for 2020 was 2.1 million with a gross margin of 7.7%, and 2019 was for 43 million and the gross margin was 100, but again it was mostly on their digital asset management service contract. But the good thing is now they are focusing heavily on the EV. They are trying to be the EV system, and this is their main groundwork. They also have some update. So in December 2020, MEG announced a purchase agreement for 200 units of D1 BYD's custom electric ride-hailing vehicle. They also acquired cash flow positive another company in January 2021. They invested in electric tractor company in October 2020, and also they have a cash position of 166 million. So overall, the good thing is like they are building an ecosystem, and I see like they have a good potential in long term. And if I look at the chart, what does it tell me? Like previously in mid-November it went to 4.7, came down and tried to go up, so it was a U-shaped recovery, and again we came down, and maybe we are setting for another big push, and after market we are up. We are currently sitting around 3.21, and just looking at the chart I see around 3.5 there could be a resistance. then maybe slight resistance around 3.8, and after that I think the share price can move around 4.2 easily around this area. Then you have 4.7 and 5.4. But again, after the earning, we see the market is really good. The aftermarket price action is higher by 10%. And again, like tomorrow morning, we can go even higher. But again, sometime after the earning, there could be a sell-off. So this is important to look at the green line, what I have around $2.7, because if you see at the chart, that was a previous resistance at some point, right? So then it became a support. When I'm looking at a 2-hour chart, not bad. So if the share price comes around 2.6, grab some share. Otherwise, if it just keeps going up and up, ride the wave. But also look at the resistance around 3.5 and also 3.8. If you are currently holding some shares and if you're already in profit, maybe just set some trailing stop loss for 5%. And if you are not into that stock, then, and if you are interested to play a call option, let's look at the expiry date and strike. You can choose the May 21st expiry date, and I think the 2.5 strike, which is a premium of $85, can be a good one. The delta is 71, the IV is very high, 155. For this particular stock, I think instead of playing option, it's better to play with shares, because in the chart you can see that it goes up, then it comes down, then it goes up, it comes down. And holding an option, you never know, like you might lose all the money. But if you are holding shares, whenever it comes down, you can grab some share, especially if you are a long-term investor for this particular stock. Other than that, if you don't like May, maybe you can choose July 16. In that case, again, you can choose like 2.5 or $3 strike. If you think it will go at least $4 by July, then why not choose this one? Just pay $91 and ride the wave. Just looking at the chart, it seems like if the trend continues, it can go to around 3.8 or $4. Anyway, my friends, the earning was good. I was holding some share. I set a trailing stop loss because my average was below 2.7, I guess. So I'm up a good amount. So if there is a sell-off, then I will just sell my shares, and whenever it comes down, I will just grab more shares. Anyway, my friends, if you find this video useful, please do not forget to hit the like button, and also do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Take care, and thanks for watching for this particular video. Peace.